Kung napanood nyo yung aming trip to the palengke, and this is the other dish we are preparing, lumpiang toge. Lumpiang gulay kasi we have a lot of other vegetables. And this is our toge. And I'm making a very, very simple version. I will just like julienne my onions. Half an onion. And I have a kamote, boiled kamote. You can also use squash or kalabasa. No? Add it here. Baguio beans, carrots, shredded cabbage, season with a little bit of salt. No? Mix natin. And I like to do it this way kasi mas madali siya. No? Hindi ko na kailangan igisa yung aking vegetables. No? So, the salt will help make our vegetables a bit more tender. Let that sit. And I have my kamote. And I will just like cut my kamote into strips as well. Par-cooked. Add it there. You can add more if you want. You can add green peas. You can add whatever you want. So, it's so simple. No? Kasi ang magdadala talaga nito is the dipping sauce, which we will make later on. Cut into strips, julienne. I will add here around 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. And just to give it a little bit more flavor, and linamnam, magic sarap. And the cornstarch will absorb the moisture of the vegetables as it cooks, no? Kasi magre-release siya ng moisture. And let's start wrapping. What I will do, I will have 2 pieces of wrapper per lumpia. And gusto ko yung medyo mataba, no? Yan. Lots of vegetables. Yan. Yan. Wrap natin yung ating lumpia. Fold, fold. And add our, ito is just flour and water. And so you add different kinds of vegetables so that you have different kinds of textures. I usually don't add garlic to this because the sausawan will have lots of garlic. Itong recipe na to pwedeng pang negosyo. If you sell it by night, you call it fry by night. O, diba? Mga pritong recipe, lumpiang, toge, and usually I like to deep fry para sure tayo na it cooks fast and evenly. Key is to have the right temperature and keep moving it around. Dapat mag-roll. And we will add our paper para excess oil. Dapat crumpled para there is space for excess oil to drip off our lumpia. And in the meantime, I will prepare my sausawan. And I have here my suka. And I have here bawang. And you should have a lot of bawang. And what I like to do, I will just show you, no? I'm smashing my garlic. And I will sprinkle a bit of salt para mas lumabas yung aking garlic flavor. So that is our garlic. And I think we're almost done here. Look at that. And we have to eat right away, ha? Kasi dapat you serve this na medyo mainit siya. Or else, ito siya magiging makunat. Look at that. Nice golden color. Move it so that it cooks evenly. The key really is frying it at the right temperature. What you want to do is to really dehydrate the spring roll wrappers. Let it rest. Now we will fry the rest of our lumpia. I will also add minced onions, chili, a little bit of sugar, around a teaspoon, and a little bit of salt, pamintang durog, and classic Maggi Savor. You should make this ahead of time so that all the flavors come together into a delicious dipping sauce. And let me taste. Yup! And we are done. Add this here to one side and arrange my lumpiang gulay, my giant lumpiang gulay, one by one. And here it is, our recipe for today, lumpiang gulay, Simpol! Tara, kain tayo! Let's go, let's go! So this is how I eat my lumpia. Poke a hole and drizzle my suka. So all the flavor is inside my lumpia. Everything is there. And are you ready? I am ready. Oh. Sarap. My veggies are not overcooked. Ang sarap crunchy pa. This is just a very simple, straightforward, classic lumpiang gulay that brings back memories. No complaints because it's perfect.